You've been sleeping on some of the smartest, most viral Amazon gadgets out there, until now. From mind-blowing kitchen hacks to genius home upgrades, these 25 game-changing products are designed to make your life easier, cooler, and way more efficient. Stick around, because number 25 will leave you speechless. Tired of messy soap spills or bulky bottles while traveling? These portable soap paper sheets are a total game changer. Just add water, and one tiny sheet transforms into rich, cleansing foam. Compact, hygienic, and TSA friendly, perfect for on-the-go hand washing anytime, anywhere. A must-have for every travel kit and daily bag. Turn any chair into your personal salon with this Bonnet hairdryer, perfect for deep conditioning, roller sets, and drying braids or curls evenly. Just attach it to your blow dryer, sit back, and relax. It's foldable, portable, and gives you salon quality results right at home. No fuss, no frizz. Tired of juggling hot lids while cooking? This stainless steel pot and pan lid holder keeps your kitchen mess free and your lids upright. With its durable build and sleek design, it saves counter space and prevents drips. A must-have for hassle-free cooking and organized countertops. Turn any flat surface into a full QWERTY keyboard with this wireless laser projection keyboard. Compact, futuristic, and Bluetooth enabled, it's perfect for on-the-go productivity. Whether you're typing emails or notes, this gadget brings sci-fi convenience right to your fingertips. Declutter your kitchen and elevate your cooking game with this wall-mounted seasoning rack. It keeps all your spices neatly organized, easily accessible, and beautifully displayed. With a space-saving design and sturdy construction, it's a must-have for anyone who loves a tidy, efficient, and stylish cooking space. Say goodbye to frayed and damaged charging cables with these silicone cable charger protectors. Designed to snugly wrap around your cable ends, they prevent bending and breaking while adding a pop of color. Flexible, durable, and easy to use. They're the perfect little upgrade to extend your charger's life and keep things tidy. Whip up delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with this electric crepe maker that brings the magic of a French cafe to your kitchen. Its non-stick surface ensures easy flipping and effortless cleanup, while the adjustable temperature control lets you get the perfect golden texture every time. Quick, convenient, and compact, perfect for breakfast lovers and dessert enthusiasts alike. Improve your posture effortlessly with this body posture corrector cross stick. Designed to gently align your spine and shoulders, it helps reduce back strain and slouching during daily activities. Lightweight and discreet, you can wear it under your clothes anytime. Perfect for work, study, or long screen hours. Stand tall, feel confident. Upgrade your shower routine with this body and foot scrubber featuring strong back suction cups for hands-free clean. Just stick it to your bathroom wall or floor and enjoy a deep, invigorating scrub that reaches hard to clean spots. Its soft yet firm bristles exfoliate, massage, and improve circulation, turning every shower into a mini spa session. Say goodbye to bending and stretching. Enhance your driving safety with this anti-rain mirror film that keeps your side mirrors crystal clear in any weather. Designed with a hydrophobic layer, it instantly repels rain, fog, and dust, giving you a sharp, unobstructed rear view. Easy to apply and highly durable, this film is a must-have for rainy or humid regions. Drive with confidence, no matter the conditions. Keep your oral hygiene in check with these dental floss picks that make cleaning between teeth quick and effortless. Designed with a sturdy, ergonomic handle and smooth yet durable floss, they easily glide between tight spaces to remove plaque and food particles. Perfect for on-the-go use or daily routines, they help promote healthy gums and a brighter smile, without the hassle of traditional floss. This height-adjustable laptop stand with wheels is a game-changer for home and office setups. Designed for flexibility, it lets you work sitting or standing, with smooth height adjustments for perfect posture. The rolling wheels make it easy to move between rooms, while the sturdy surface holds your laptop securely. Whether you're working, studying, or presenting, this stand adds mobility, comfort, and efficiency to your routine, all in one sleek, space-saving design. These suction cup multi-purpose hanging hooks are the ultimate solution for clutter-free organization without the need for drilling or tools. Designed to stick firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, or mirrors, they're perfect for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, loofahs, or even lightweight bags. The strong suction ensures they stay in place, yet they're easily removable and reusable. Whether in the bathroom, kitchen, or hallway, these hooks offer a hassle-free way to keep essentials within reach and your space tidy. Experience relaxation anywhere with the portable foldable bathtub. Designed for convenience, this bathtub easily folds for storage and unfolds for use in any space. Perfect for small bathrooms, balconies, or outdoor adventures. Made from durable, leak-proof materials, it provides a comfortable soak without permanent installation. Easy to drain and clean, it's ideal for adults and kids alike. Enjoy a spa-like experience anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your sink with the flexible water tap extender. Designed to extend and control water flow, its 360 degrees rotating head makes washing dishes, rinsing produce, and cleaning the sink effortless. The flexible hose adjusts to any angle, reaching those tricky spots with ease. Easy to install without tools. It fits most standard faucets. Perfect for kitchen and bathroom sinks. Experience convenience and enhanced water control instantly. Protect your car's interior and keep it cool with car window sunshades. These easy-to-install shades block harmful UV rays, reduce glare, and prevent overheating. Perfect for road trips or daily commutes. They ensure a comfortable ride for you and your passengers. Foldable and compact, they store easily when not in use. Drive safely and stay cool. Experience all-day comfort with Forefoot pads, designed to relieve pressure and prevent pain. These soft, cushioned pads fit perfectly in your shoes, reducing friction and discomfort. Ideal for high heels, flats, or sneakers, they provide support where you need it most. Walk confidently and comfortably, step after step. Upgrade your viewing experience with the height-adjustable phone stand. Designed for flexibility, it allows you to customize the height and angle for optimal comfort during video calls, streaming, or browsing. Its sturdy base and anti-slip design keep your phone secure and stable. Perfect for desks, countertops, and nightstands. Rediscover the simplicity of hand washing with the Washboard for hand washing clothes. Made from sturdy, durable materials, Its textured surface easily scrubs away dirt and stains while being gentle on fabrics. Perfect for delicates, small loads, and camping trips. This washboard brings back an eco-friendly, effective way to clean clothes without electricity. Practical, portable, and built to last. Add a touch of elegance to your kitchen or bathroom with the Bowknot hanging hand-dry towel. Crafted from soft, highly absorbent microfiber, it quickly dries hands while remaining gentle on the skin. The cute Bowknot design and convenient hanging loop make it easy to display and access. Perfect for adding style and functionality to any space. Maximize your car's storage space with the car seat headrest hook. Designed to hang from your seat's headrest, it provides a secure spot for bags, groceries, purses, and more, keeping them off the floor and within easy reach. Its durable, space-saving design prevents spills and clutter, making every trip more organized and comfortable. Perfect for daily commutes and road trips. Make bed making effortless with the mattress lifter and bed maker tool. This ingenious device is designed to lift heavy mattresses with ease, reducing strain on your back and hands. Simply slide it underneath the mattress, and it gently elevates the corner, allowing you to tuck in sheets and smooth out wrinkles without hassle. Perfect for changing linens, rearranging bedding, or making hospital corners. Experience quicker, easier bed making every day. Keep your essentials organized and secure with the multiple card holder wallet with zipper. Designed with multiple slots, it neatly stores your credit cards, 𝐻𝐻𝐧𝐞, and cash in one compact place. The sturdy zipper closure ensures everything stays in place, preventing loss or damage. Its sleek, minimalist design fits perfectly in your pocket or bag, making it ideal for everyday use and travel. This hair straightener brush is a game changer for your daily styling routine. Combining the power of a flat iron with the simplicity of a hairbrush, it effortlessly smooths and straightens your hair in minutes. The ceramic heating technology ensures even heat distribution, reducing frizz and protecting your strands. Perfect for quick touch-ups or full styling. It's ideal for busy mornings or on-the-go glam. This bottle cleaning brush set is a must-have for every kitchen and household. It comes with multiple brush sizes designed to reach deep into bottles, jars, tumblers, and narrow neck containers, making cleaning effortless and thorough. The durable bristles tackle stubborn residues without scratching surfaces, while the ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip. Whether you're cleaning baby bottles, sports bottles, or glassware, this set keeps everything spotless and hygienic with ease. Say goodbye to hard-to-clean corners. Keep your home effortlessly clean with this broom and dustpan set designed for both efficiency and comfort. The broom features durable bristles that sweep up dust, dirt, and debris from any surface, while the long-handled dustpan makes collecting waste easy without bending over. Its smart design includes a built-in comb to remove hair and debris from the broom bristles. Lightweight yet sturdy, this combo is perfect for quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions, a must-have for every modern household. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic bags and hello to the expandable shopping bag that's built for modern convenience. This eco-friendly bag stretches wide to hold all your groceries and folds down compactly when not in use. With durable handles and a sturdy base, it's perfect for everything from quick grocery runs to weekend market hauls. Stylish, reusable, and ultra-practical, this bag makes shopping smarter and greener. Meet your new citrus sidekick, the handheld lemon squeezer that makes juicing effortless. Crafted from durable metal, this gadget extracts every last drop without seeds or mess. Just place your lemon half, squeeze, and enjoy fresh juice in seconds. Whether it's for lemonade, salad dressing, or cocktails, this tool adds zing to your kitchen with zero fuss. Stay on top of every recipe with the magnetic kitchen digital timer, a sleek, modern essential for your cooking space. With a large LED display, intuitive touch controls, and a loud alarm, this timer keeps you alert whether you're baking, boiling, or brewing. Its strong magnetic back sticks firmly to your fridge or oven, saving counter space. Compact, reliable, and rechargeable, it's the smart way to manage time and prevent kitchen mishaps. If these Amazon gadgets wowed you, imagine what's coming next. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic finds, and drop a comment with your favorite gadget from the list. Your next must-have product could be just one click away. Stay tuned and keep upgrading your lifestyle with smart choices.